G'day guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are here for Essendon Dogs Friday night footy at Marvel Stadium. It's going to be a blockbuster. What is it, 7th v 8th? Both teams on the same amount of points. I think there's about 2% percentage dividing the two teams on the ladder, so it's going to be a blockbuster game, really, to say the least. Friday night footy at both the teams' home deck as well, so you could really split it even. You don't know who's going to get up today. I'm going to actually pick the Bombers by 11 points. I reckon it's going to be a high scoring game. It's going to be in the 90s to the 100s, and Essendon win by 11. 11 to 15 points Essendon get up by, I reckon. We're here with a few of the boys. Got Matty, Rowan. Rowan's been in a matchday vlog, and Matty was in last week against Collingwood. Scotty, I don't think you've actually been in a matchday vlog, but you've been featured in the weekly vlogs and everything. So yeah, so we got Essendon here, and then Rowan's an actual Doggies fan. I've just put on the Doggies gear for tonight because I'm going home with my nan and family of Doggies fans, so otherwise I'll be sleeping outside in the doghouse if I'm not wearing this tonight. So it's going to be a close game, good game of footy. Dogs get up by 11, hopefully a cracking game on our hands. Fucking 11. Jesus Christ, 17 seconds in, DONS kicked the first. 2 metre Peter, snap around the body, 15 seconds in. Not a good start for the Doggies. DONS up by 11 at the first break, and I'm going to be honest, mate, they are all over yous. They are dominating in every part. The Dogs are just...
You could almost say they're abominating.
3 goals, 2, plays 1 goal, 3. I'm going to be honest, I reckon the tip that I put on ESPN saying that the DONS will get up by 200, actually a decent looking prediction, because yeah, the Dogs are just nowhere near the contest that the Bombers are putting up, and the DONS are all over them. And Bonsampelli kicks 2.
Yeah, brother.
The first 2 in the quarter for the Dogs, and they're now up by a point. Where has this come from? I thought it was all Essendon in the first, and the Dogs have kicked the first 2 of the quarter, and they're up by a point. Dogs again! The Dogs have kicked 3 unanswered.
I'm blaming the ground. What is that bounce?
Dogs have kicked 3 unanswered.
What is the bounce?
27 plays 20. Dogs up.
2 goals to the umpires, 1 goal to
Would you look at that?
2 goals to the umpires, 1
Out of nowhere, 3 unanswered goals for the Doggies.
On your Doggies. Right to us, buddy. Oh, he's got it. Yes.
And the DONS kick one back. They needed that. A goal of difference. Dogs up 33-27.
Come on! Jesus.
Right before half time, and the Dogs have surged in this second term. Doggies up by 20, 27 and a half minutes into the second. When everything was looking lost in the first, the Dogs have come from the clouds. 4-3-27, plays 7-5-47. Siren to go in about a minute. And the Dogs are all over him now.
Straight to us on the far.
And Merritt kicks a snag on the halftime siren. 5-3, 33, 7-5, 47. And the Dogs had a really good surge in that second term. They were all over the Dons. However, the Dons might have some momentum late coming into the third, as obviously Merritt just kicked that snag on the siren. So hopefully they bring some momentum into this third term, even it up a bit. Low scoring game of footy. However, it's a close one, so it's all right. As long as it's close, that's all that matters. As long as it's a good game, then I'm in for it. So the Dogs, ripping term. But yeah, I actually don't know how this one's going to shape out at the moment because the Dogs are on top, but the Bombers just kicked the last goal of the term. It's anyone's game.
High five. Come on, quickly. Good goal. Yeah.
Oh, Bontempelli. Can you believe that? Bon steadies the ship for the Dogs. 54-39. Close game of footy. Bon's kicked 2 goals, 1.
Oh, Baker. Look at that.
But I mean, that was on the full.
Dogs up by 20.
Dogs up by 20 points at 3/4 time, 41-61. 9-7 plays 6 goals, 5. It's going to come down right to the last term. One more term to go. Dogs have the lead by 20 points, so they should take it home from here. Isn't good for the tip, how I tipped the Bombers by 200. However, one more term to go. Hopefully the Bombers can bring something, start early, start good. So the game is interesting because I want an interesting game. 2 of the quarter to Essendon. He has hit the post. He's hit the post.
You're supposed to kick it in the goals, buddy.
Could say the same for Norton.
Stole the ball. Watch this. Way out left. Murray, you beauty!
Adam Treloar seals the game. 22 minutes in.
The game was already sealed.
I know, but just seals it even more.
Ices the game.
Ices the game. And there were heaps of fans behind me before. No one there anymore.
Fuck, you're fine.
And 82-49.
Yourself, you face.
Oh, keep crying, keep crying.
What did I mean?
Keep crying. Dogs win. Just the margin is all to be told so far.
Oh, you just have to love when the Bombers lose on a Friday night.
Waitman for his 3rd, and to put the Dogs up by 40 points, 27 minutes into the last, and that is good.
Yes!
Dogs up by 40, 27 minutes in. This is insane. The crowd's gone home. There's no one around us. Essendon fans are sooks. Even Scotty and Matty left. They're all sooks.